Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop you heat every 4 times of the week. And I hope that you're actually good and healthy from wherever you're watching this from. You know, keeping that, staying safe and all that. So, before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder that if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this Travis Scott, drum kit and sample pack. It's crazy, man. There's a lot of 808s in here, claps, hi-hats, kicks, percussion, snares, all that good stuff that you need to get you started as far as good beat making is concerned. So without no further ado, let's get started, man. I don't want to waste your time. So I'm gonna start off with the 808s, then I'm gonna go into the drums. So I'm gonna play the first 808. Cactus. Claps. Hi-hats. Kicks. All right, percussion. All right, snares. All right. Oh, it's a nice sample pack. It's a nice, drum kit. All you got to do, man, is just drag and drop. It's been nicely processed. I took a lot of time, into making, that good sound that you need, to get you started in making fine, fire quality beats. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my email and we'll get down to business. So yeah, man, that's it. Enjoy the drum kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.